Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribe. In this Kinemaster tutorial, we are creating text behind object effect. This effect only work when your subject contrast in high. Before we start the tutorial, let's see what we create today. Let's get started. Tap on this plus icon to create a new project. Here, select 16:9 aspect ratio. And now import your clip. This video downloaded from pexels.com. You can download it from description. As you can see, this clip has light background with dark foreground. Let's add text. Tap on layer, select text. Now resize it. Tap here for more fonts. Choose any bold font. Increase text layer duration. Select text layer, go to blending modes. Blend this layer mode, normal to overlay. Cool. As you can see text appearing here. Let's fix it. Select this clip, and tap on adjustments. Here, decrease brightness little much and increase contrast little much. Now it's looking perfect. Now duplicate text layer. Select text layer, tap on this 3 dots, select duplicate. Again duplicate it. This is our final output, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe.